मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे रियल नंबर। रियल नंबर स्टैंडर्ड 10 चैप्टर 1। ओके, पहले हम डिस्कशन करेंगे नंबर, पूरे बेसिक के ऊपर आएंगे, उसके बाद हम जाएंगे रियल नंबर के पास। नंबर क्या है? जब हम सोचते हैं एक नंबर की तरफ, हमको क्या याद आता है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 yes or no? So in the number systems we know that the first is one is natural number. First one is natural number. Which are the natural number? 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6 and in your whole numbers, उसके बाद आता है whole number. The whole number, what is whole number? The zero and all the natural numbers are called the whole number. So what is whole number? The zero and all the natural numbers. Now the next one is integer. What is integer? Now all the negative and positive numbers with the zero, that is called the integers. For examples, integer कौन है? integer के बारे में देखेंगे। integer 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Now we go to the before sometime. Before we can get fraction. What is fraction? The number which is represented by the form of p by q. The number which is represented by the form of p by q, that is called the fraction number. Now what is the fraction number? The actual definition of the fraction is a part of a whole, that is called fraction. But generally we will know that the fraction are represented in the form of p and p by q, where q is not equal to 0. We know that fraction is divided into two types. That is, one is recurring, fraction is, you know that three types. One is mixed fractions, proper fractions and improper fractions. We do not go to the in this way. We come from decimals. We know that some fractions, for examples 3 by 100, you know that 0.03. We can transfer to the fraction, can transfer to the decimal. Okay, decimal is divided in two types. One is recurring and another is non-recurring. Okay, what is the recurring? The decimal we can found, for examples, that means 5 by 10, that means 0.5. This is the final value we can found. But the non-recurring is divided into two types. Which are them? You know that some example we have given. You know that 0.3 over bar, you know that is equal to 3 by 9. That means 3 is repeatedly as represented in this way. Or some decimals are in this way, 0.5 7 3 4 2, never endings. Okay, this one the non-recurring. In the non-recurring is these two types. Okay, now this one the recurring, and the non-recurring are one. First one is terminating, and this one called the non-terminating. Which are called the terminating? The decimals which are repeated in one numbers but repeated in their sequence, that is called the terminating. Which are non-terminating? The decimals which is never ending. We have taking this the approximately value, that is called the non-terminating. Okay? So this one the recurring and terminating we can transfer to the fraction form. So this one called the rational number. And which is non-terminating, that is called the irrational number. So now we can get the definition. What is the rational number? The number which is the decimal number which is recurring on terminating, that is called the rational number. Okay? The rational number also represent in the form of P by Q. Okay? What is the non-irrational number? The number which is non-recurring and non-terminating, that is called the irrational number. Okay? So for example, you have taken to the root 3. You know that the root 3 the value is 1.343 . You have taken to the approximate value. For example, that is the pi equal to 22 by 7 approximately. You have taken the value, this one the approximate value. This one also called the irrational number. Okay? Now, rational, now you have think the what is your real number? Yes or no? Now discussion the real number. Before the real number, you have go for the back. What I teaching. Our first one is natural number. Yes or no? This one the natural numbers. Which are they? That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? Next one is whole number 0 and all the natural numbers. Next we have discussed to the integer, that is the negative form, -1, -2, -3, -4, 0 and the integer, that is called. Next one comes from that is the rational number. In the rational number, all the numbers are to be found. For example, all the natural number are rational number. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because you can retain, for example, 4. You can retain that is the 4 equal 4 by 1 in the P by Q form. Yes or no? So this one is also called the rational number. So this first one is natural number, then whole number, then integer, then that is called the rational number. Other we have find that is the irrational number. Okay? This one all the numbers are called the real number. Okay? What is real number? Now all the numbers of all the universal number, but real number are also known as the universal set of a number, because all numbers are represented in the real number. Okay? Next we have discussed in next class.